Alright, so what year is this? 1995. Lexus alternator.
Yes,
Let's get
sir.
started. So
How's your channel doing?
it's doing well.
What's the most you put on, like, shorts or on
Everything,
Reels
shorts, yeah.
and on TikTok and whatnot?
Yeah.
What's like the most amount of views you do? Like,
Alright, so we're gonna get a 12mm. Take this out. Cool. And somebody took this off, by the way. 14 for the top bolt. We can take that out. And then we can use the 12mm to loosen it. You have to untie it all the way, but you can take out the belt. This is a Bando belt. This is OEM quality.
yeah, I've put a lot of money into this.
Really?
Shit.
Yeah. Be like that, bro. You just gotta take out this 12mm that's holding the tensioner bolt. Can I bug you with one thing? Do you mind calling any auto parts store around you to see if they have the alternator?
I don't. I think we'll go together because I don't know exactly what sort of alternator it needs to be replaced with. I did research and I'm getting just like a million different answers. But I will say there's an AutoZone 5 minutes driving away, and when I say 5 minutes, I don't mean 10 minutes. But I'm saying 5 minutes, I mean 5 minutes.
Got you.
So it's real close. It's like 2 or 3 blocks
So
away.
when you give them the year, make, and model, they will give you the correct one. But give me a second. Alright, so there's this clip right here. You just gotta break it off. Okay. And then you can just wiggle this out of its way, or out of its place. And what you're doing is pulling and wiggling. Okay. That's it. Yep. Just inspect the area, make sure everything's good.
This is what's been in there for
Yeah.
for 20
It's an OEM alternator.
years, excuse me,
Okay.
31 years.
Looks good. This hangs behind it, so we just gotta make sure that stays over there. And let's go get the new one. Oh, got the new one right here. So this will go in like this, like that. So remember, this will go in right. Okay, we'll put the big bolt. This is called the pivot bolt. I'm going to tighten it. Alright. So now I want to put the bolt back on the rail. Okay. We'll tighten this one. Okay. I put it the wrong way. Wait, so I think this goes on like that. So the bolt holes on the bottom. Let me take this shit off. Okay, so the hole that this bolt goes in should be facing the bottom. Alright, some tension. Okay, maybe just a little less. Alright. No, they usually stay. I mean, if you want. Yeah.
Manufactured in Mexico.
It's okay. Fell on the ground. Alright.
Almost there, almost good to go.
Mm-hmm.
I'm excited to test it.
Yep. Okay. All right, now the battery terminal. I'm pretty sure it's dead, but give it a try. I gotta charge the battery.
Alright, I'm gonna start it soon.
Mm-hmm. Nope. Okay. Let me jump. Right, so I got it jumped. So. All right. Now we just gotta test out
the reader.
Yeah. So we just gotta test the alternator. So the alternator last time was showing. I'm gonna test it from here actually. It was showing about 15 volts and then 13 and then 10 and then 11. It was just all over the place. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this car will last me another 100,000 miles as long as all the other shit doesn't break within it, you know?
Yeah. Alright, we're at 15, 14. See, now it's stable. Now it's relaying between 14 and 15. That's perfect.
Alright, you want to test the battery just to like...
Yeah, no, I am going to test it, yeah. So
right now it's actually charging the battery.
Yeah, so right now the only thing that I'll be able to read is the alternator, but I just want to make sure that whatever voltage I'm reading there, I'm reading it here. Yeah. Same. 14 to 15. Yeah. 14, 15. This is perfect. This is exactly where it needs to be. Cool. Yeah. You got to drive this about probably for 30-40 minutes to charge it up because it was completely drained.
Idle for 30 to 40 minutes?
Nah, bro, you got to drive it. Yeah. Idle will charge it, but not as fast as driving it.
So right now, if I turn off the car, it won't start again?
No, it won't. You'll need to jump again. All right, that looks good.
And then as far as the fluids are concerned?
Yeah, hold on. Let me end this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. That's it for today. See you later.